wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best hoverboard seats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The hishine attachment has soft foam handles, grips on the foot pegs, and a wide bucket seat, providing comfort while keeping riders secure. The length can adjust to the driver's height, and it supports up to 240 pounds, making it suitable for adults. Padded mounts protect the hoverboard, and it's available in 5 colors. However, the straps can break. At number 5, the Hoover One Buggy sports hook and loop fasteners that can accommodate most hoverboards, with wheels between 6.5 and 10 inches. The 2 handles control the rear wheel drive, allowing riders to execute quick and tight turns with precision. It's easy to assemble and comes in at a reasonable price, but it's not especially durable. Coming in at number 4 on our list. If you're looking for an option that pairs well with an all-terrain balance scooter, the Highboy HCO2 should be considered. With a rear suspension system and a large front tire, it provides a smooth ride over less than ideal surfaces. The wheel swivels 360 degrees and it can support up to 270 pounds. However, the seat might be too tall for some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hoverboard seats, or simply click beneath this video. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Hoover One Falcon features 2 blasters on the back that release fog and are decorated with blue LED lights, and they emit sounds that simulate a rocket launch too. The smoke machine is refillable, and this model is equipped with rear steering for quick turns and grips on the foot pegs that prevent slippage. At number 2, the HyperGogo go-kart kit is equipped with pedals and a steering wheel, and features effective disc brakes and shock absorbers to soften the ride. It also includes a reverse lever and a durable metal frame, along with a helmet. And taking the top spot on our list, the Evercross New Gen sports soft grips and a comfortable seat, and the frame can adjust to the user's height. It features a safety flag on the backrest which increases your visibility. It's made of a durable aluminum alloy and works with most models. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hoverboard seats, or simply click beneath this video.